Assalamu alaikum, dear 8th class students. Today is our class for English B, and we have the topic from grammar composition, which is application for today. So we have to start and learn the pattern to write an application. Your application topic for today is for employment as a teacher. As we all know that we have done this application before in our classrooms. So by using the same pattern, you are required to write an application. First of all, keep in your mind that the pattern should be very perfect according to the criteria as we did last time. Keep in your mind that your pattern should be with the margin line from beginning till ending. First line will be application for employment as a teacher. That will be your main heading. Skipping one line, you have to write the Principal, Junior Officer High School, PCSIR Extension, Lahore in a same pattern, in a same line. After that, you will again skip a line and give the heading of subject. Your subject topic is employment as a teacher. After that, again you have to skip the line and you will write respected sir, comma, and below the comma you have to write your application in a paragraph form. Again, you have to be very careful about the pattern and the sequence. It should be same. Also notice the capital alphabets I have used in application pattern, where we have to write capital alphabets and where we have to write small alphabets. So after writing your first paragraph, you are required to write your biodata, which is given in front of you in the form of example: name, address, nationality, religion, date of birth, and any other informative data you have to write in application. After that, you will skip the line and give the heading of qualifications. In qualifications, you have to write degrees, years, grades. You have to make 3 columns for mention qualification information. You have to follow the same pattern you have in your notebooks and practice it again. And this additional pattern is must to be followed. So hope you have understood it very well and you can make this column for qualifications by yourselves. Coming onward, you will write your contact number, your experience of dash years. You can write 2, 3, 4 or any of your own choice. Extracurricular activities, you are good at dash. You can write any of your skill. After that, you have to skip one line and start the paragraph. I hope you will. Or you may include your own lines also. This will be your last paragraph of your application and second last segment in pattern. So be very careful about writing this paragraph. In this paragraph, you have to mention your qualifications, your skills in detailed form, so you may achieve the job very easily. And do not forget to put your interest also in the form of paragraph. At last, you have to write by skipping one line, I shall be very thankful to you, and again you will skip the line, and the last segment of your pattern is yours truly, comma, x dot y dot z dot. Hope you have understood very well. By following this pattern, you have to practice and learn your application as we did in our classrooms, and keep practicing. Thank you.